Hello viewers, 4DIYers here, back with another video for everyone. In this video here I'll be showing you how to replace the Serpentine belt on a Honda Pilot. This is a 2011 model equipped with the 3.5 liter V6, but this process applies to many other Honda models with the same engine. With a worn Serpentine belt, it'll stretch, potentially causing squealing, and components such as an alternator to slip, not effectively charging the vehicle. You may also notice cracking in the belt. First, start by opening the hood. The belt is located on the left side of the engine bay. Next is removing the engine cover. This will help gain some access. Use a standard screwdriver to disconnect the two front locking tabs. These will turn counterclockwise. Then lift the cover straight out. Start the engine and turn the steering wheel all the way to the right to gain access inside the fender well. To make it easier, you may wish to use ramps, jack up the vehicle, or even remove the wheel. I was able to do the replacement without it. Here's a view from the underside, and this is a 19mm tensioner that needs to be rotated counterclockwise to remove the tension on the belt. Here's a quick diagram of the belt routing. Then, using a 19mm socket with the ratchet, pull the tensioner back to remove the belt. This is from the top side, and I'm going from the underside of the vehicle. I wedged the ratchet with the Johnson bar so I was able to remove the belt. Once it's removed from one pulley, you can then release the tension and continue removing the rest of the belt. Finally, remove the whole belt. It's a good idea to compare the old and new belts to ensure they are the same. The new belt may be slightly shorter as it's not stretched. Here's the old belt, and as you can see there is some cracking. I did notice quite a bit of deep splitting, which had the potential to lead to the belt completely breaking off. Also check the idler and tensioner pulleys to ensure the bearings are still in good condition. Feed down the new belt and try to route it around the top pulleys first. This does take some patience. A second person could potentially keep everything in place when you're under the vehicle. Pull the tensioner back down again and finish feeding the belt onto the crank pulley. I did wedge the ratchet again. Make sure the belt is past the tool you're using to hold the ratchet in place first. Finally, remove the ratchet and let the tension go back in place. Check the belt routing. Make sure it is properly seated. Start the engine and ensure everything is good. Finally, reinstall that engine cover and you're officially done. New videos released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me, and leave a comment below if you found this tutorial helpful. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.